musical fraternity.
Leader of opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma has alleged a deep-rooted nexus between politicians and bureaucrats in facilitating illegal coal mining in Meghalaya. Speaking to the media, the All India Trinamool Congress leader called for a thorough investigation beyond the ongoing enforcement actions. Dr. Sangma questioned why state police had failed to detect illegal mining when the Enforcement Directorate was able to find evidence, highlighting concerns over administrative negligence. He also criticized the government's denial of illegal mining activities and raised concerns over unaddressed FIRs filed by various parties.
Keeping in mind what has come out after these ED raids, this cartel has established because of the deep-rooted nexus of bureaucrat and politicians, the political executive and the bureaucracy. Therefore, the investigation must be directed towards that end to protect the interests of the state and protect the interests of the people. Many of these affairs, rather than the authorities going, after the alleged, rather the accused, what have they done? Have any of these affairs have shown any end result in terms of a charge sitting?